We'll show you how to replace the OPPO Reno 8T 5G battery, step by step and easy to follow. Power off the device completely, always start safe. Apply heat around the back panel at 100 degrees Celsius. This softens the adhesive. Use a mobile panel opener to gently lift and remove the back panel. It's glued tightly. Back panel is plastic. Remove it slowly using a mobile panel opener to avoid damage. Unscrew all screws from the mid-frame and remove the protective cover. Disconnect the battery connector first. Always disconnect power before anything else. Now we can see how to fix the new battery. Reassemble the phone. Reinstall the mid-frame cover and tighten all screws. Press the back panel gently to seal it. Use glue if needed. Power on the phone and check everything display. Touch and fingerprint sensor. Thank you for watching.